The Clarke CCM160 concrete mixer makes easy work and labour-saving time of mixing sand, ballast and cement for both the trade and DIY. Robust and sturdy, it is mounted on a stand and is tough enough to face up to the heavy demands of a busy construction site. It's great for many projects, including bricklaying, slab laying, rendering, concrete bases for patios and sheds, and more. Its larger size of 160 litres makes it ideal for trade use as well as DIY. Weighing 56.5 kilograms with a rugged and robust powder-coated steel frame, it is easily movable thanks to its two handles, two large 8-inch wheels and a detachable stand, which also allows for a full 360 degrees of rotation. The stand provides the perfect height for unloading into a wheelbarrow without any strain to the operator. The wheels on the main part of the CCM160 ensure that it's easy to manoeuvre around the job site. The powerful and fully enclosed 650-watt 230-volt motor rotates the large 160-litre drum through a strong steel ring gear for reliability. With the large drum opening, this mixer is quick and easy to use. If you ever have the need to mix concrete, mortar, plaster, sand, liquids, dry powder or even feed and fertilizer, then the Clarke CCM160 concrete mixer is the tool for you.